Here's why I think buying a condo should be your first purchase and why you should not stretch for anything further than that when it's your entrance into homeownership. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I'm Mike Carpino. If you find value from my videos, I'd love it if you subscribe to the channel, liked, commented, and shared them with people that you know who might find value from them as well. Now, buying your first house, we all know saving up for it is a challenge. Some of us struggle more than others, but when choosing what to actually spend your hard-earned money on, I think we need to stop at the condos. Whether it's a condo, townhouse, or a condo in an actual building, I think that's where it should stop for first-time home buyer. And the reason why I think this is where you should stop looking and not stretching yourself further is you're buying your first house. You've never lived in a property that you've owned before. There are going to be a lot more expenses than you may have even imagined that come alongside owning your own house. Why would you want to take on a larger mortgage payment when you can have a reasonable mortgage payment plus being able to maintain your house like you should? It's a very difficult decision to have with some people because they might be trying to keep up with the Joneses. They might need that detached house. They might have a friend who just bought a detached, but it might have been their third house, but they need to keep up with them so people see them as equals. We live in a society where everybody's trying to keep up with everybody. We're trying to impress people with things that we might not have, one of which is money and items that come along with that. So stop worrying about other people. Don't worry about their judgments. I think get that condo. It might be smaller than you might want for space, but it means it's less to maintain. It means the price tag is lower, and it means it gives you an opportunity to get your feet wet in home ownership. Maybe you don't want to own a property after buying a condo. At least you've made the attempt and you didn't really overstretch yourself to have massive mortgage payments and still have to maintain that large house that maybe you're not even filling all the rooms with furniture at this point. At the end of the day, it's always going to be your choice. Whether I tell you a condo is the best choice for you or not, it's unlikely that this video has swayed you one way or the other. But take a second to think about the advantages of going with a condo. You have security. You have a door that you can just lock and leave. You don't have to worry about the exterior of the property as much as you would if you had a normal detached property, for example. These are two things that are great if you're somebody who travels a lot and you don't have to worry as much about your home and is it safe. Maybe you have somebody coming by to check on your house or drop your mail off. All of this in a condo is a non-issue. Your mailbox just gets filled up with mail. No big deal if you don't get it for a week or two. If you have mail just sitting at your front step or in your mailbox, people can take that. So really see what makes the most sense for you. I think a condo is a really smart purchase because you can spend less, use that other money for something else. Maybe it's another investment that you want to do. Whatever makes sense for you is the decision that you're ultimately going to make. But I figured I'd give you my opinion on it anyways. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found some value in it. And I hope if you were on the fence of going with a detached versus a condo, I hope this swayed you one way or the other. Maybe my interpretation of a condo actually pushed you to a detached, which is fine. But maybe, just maybe, you're going to save a little bit more money by being okay with that condo. And then you'll thank me later. Thank you for watching the video. If you could, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends and family and anybody who you think might find some value in what I put out there. Have a wonderful day and see you in the next video.